Parts of speech. Noun. I explain the concrete noun. Number 4. Concrete noun. A concrete noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing that we can see, touch, hear, smell, or taste. For example, book. We can see and touch it. Apple. We can see, touch, and taste. Teacher. We can see and hear. Dog. We can see and touch. Car. We can see and touch.